Hi everyone, we are going to be cleaning my Fjallraven Kanken, and I've had this bag for years and years and it's been so dirty that I've retired it to just hold my SD cards and my memory, what are they called? My hard drives, just in case there's a fire so I can grab my things quickly and go. But I've wanted to kind of use it more for travel. I've caught myself looking at new Fjallravens and they're a little bit on the pricier side because they last a very long time. Maybe I could try to put my minimalist teachings or my minimalist learnings into practice and not buy something new and see if I can restore my old one. So get ready to see the nastiest, grodiest, dirtiest Fjallraven you've ever seen in your whole life, because I bought this secondhand and then I used it, so it's like second-hand squared basically. Oh my, did I just hear a collective gasp around the world for how dirty this backpack is. So here's the before, and let's get into the details here, but I'm going to show you how to clean a really dirty Fjallraven Kanken. There are a few tutorials out there, but I have a couple tips. Mainly it's just to scrub very hard, especially if you have a light backpack. And then I'll talk a bit about the Fjallraven warranty as well. But I got this backpack secondhand from a kindergartner or something at a yard sale. So it was already used when I bought it, and then I used it throughout my time at UC Berkeley, and I took a lot of oil painting classes, so there's a bunch of oil paint on the backpack, and you can see the original color and then what it has kind of devolved into. But you won't need too many ingredients or materials for this. You'll just need some hot water and put some dish soap in there. I'm just using Dawn dish soap, nothing too harsh, and I'm going to mix it together with a kitchen sponge. Now I'm using the rough part of the sponge. You're not really supposed to. On the Kanken's website they said not to really use the harsh side, but this bag was so dirty I didn't really care if it was going to be losing some of the color. And you can see in the creases as well, there's going to be a lot of dirt buildup. Make sure to remove the foam insert as well, and then build a time machine, go back in time and buy one of the darker color Kankens instead. Now that our drip is all laid out to dry, I'm thinking it looks pretty alright, but I put it in the sun to dry for a more bleaching effect. This experience was nice because I'm trying to be more of a minimalist and also trying to be more sustainable, so instead of running out and buying something new, I'm trying to use what I already have at home to fulfill the same purposes. You've all been waiting for the final reveal. Yes, and I'm wearing my pink shirt and my pink flowers for my pink backpack. Oh, okay, when I put it on the camera it doesn't look that pink, especially compared to something brand new like this, but it looks much better than it did before. Still pretty dirty, but don't look at the bottom. This is probably more closer to the original color, but let's say that this was closer to an orange brown before. I mean, I bought this secondhand, then used it for a couple of years, so it's not terrible. It's not great. I mean, this is the original color. If you could see this pink, I was able to kind of get that back. I think the areas of when you're always touching them, they got a little bit dirtier, but overall I think it's improved a lot. Maybe I'm just being delulu, but I do see some improvements. I might even do a second round of cleaning. I didn't think it's helping my case that I'm wearing this really bright pink shirt, but I'm trying to be more sustainable. I'm trying to be a little bit more frugal because I want to achieve financial independence, so sometimes I'm not buying a brand new, $80 backpack. Is it the results? Are they great? They're okay. They're better than they were before. I feel like I can still kind of go out in public. I can at least hike in this. It's not that bad, right? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. I did see a tutorial of someone dyeing their Fjallraven a different color, and I think that might be a good move is if I dye this a red color or maybe even black, then it would look really good. But I love these bags, and I went to the Fjallraven store recently. Like I said, not trying to be back in the market, but maybe I am, for one of these bags, and they let me know that they have a lifetime warranty on their bags. So regardless of if you have the receipt or not, as long as it's a genuine product, they said that they would fix it. They'll do a lifetime warranty of fixing up if the zipper breaks or if you have big holes in it. That's really good to know. So if this ever starts ripping, I'm gonna just take it there and maybe they'll even could fix it up, or maybe it could make it cleaner somehow. I'm not sure if they have an industrial washing machine or something, but I'm pretty happy. I'm like okay happy with the results. I might do it one more time, but I think it's better than it was before. And yeah, that doesn't look too bad, right? Guys, let's take into account that this was the nastiest looking bag just a couple days ago, and I kind of let it dry out in the sun a bit to bleach it. I didn't mind like scrubbing too hard. I lost color there. I didn't mind that very much. I guess I was trying to get the paint off. I honestly think this color looks better than like this kind of brown color, so if I could get like an even white with no color, that would be really nice. But so far, super durable bags, and yeah, I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you try it out, please let me know, and if you have any tips on how to keep your Kanken even cleaner, please let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I make videos like this, kind of random, but then also ones about finance and sustainability and travel and fun things like that. Art, books, and music. So if you like that kind of stuff, if you want to be in a creative little community, please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Stay sweet.